If you want to add a screenshot in LibreOffice Impress, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to insert a screenshot into your presentation so you can explain ideas more clearly, show examples, or make your slides more visual and professional. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side under Create, click Impress Presentation if you want to start a new presentation. Or, if you already have one, simply open your existing file and go to the slide where you want to place the screenshot. This part is important because the screenshot will be inserted directly into the slide you currently select. Now that you're on the correct slide, look at the top menu bar. Click Insert. This menu gives you access to different types of content you can add to your presentation. From the Insert menu, choose Media or Image, depending on the version of LibreOffice you're using. Both options are commonly used for bringing visual files into a slide. After that, a file picker window will open. Browse through your folders and locate the screenshot image you want to use. Select the image file, then click Open. If your screenshot is saved on your desktop, Downloads folder, or in a project folder, you can choose it from there just like any other image file. Once you click Open, LibreOffice Impress will automatically place the screenshot onto your slide. At this point, you can click and drag the image to reposition it wherever you want. You can also use the corner handles to resize it so it fits neatly within your layout. If the screenshot is too large, just make it smaller. If it looks too tiny, scale it up until it matches the rest of your slide design. A good tip is to make sure the screenshot is clear and readable before you finalize the slide. If it includes text, you want the audience to be able to see it without strain. You can also combine the screenshot with text boxes, arrows, or shapes to highlight specific areas. That can make your presentation much easier to follow, especially if you're teaching something step by step. And that's it. You've now inserted a screenshot into LibreOffice Impress. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how your presentation looks and how well your message gets across. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.